What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know already, it's your girl Shani. So guys, me I go up on the road today because I go pick up some package. Not my package, it's my baby father package, but I'm go pick it up and I'm go do a little unboxing. So just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Now I catch up my ear right now, okay? No, I can't go up on the road and my ear look like this, and I catch it up a little more neater. So just stay tuned and please do remember to like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified each time I drop a video. So stay tuned guys. As I say, I catch up my ear right now and just head up on the road. I'm catching the back with me in the taxi. So guys, this is the fit. I'm up on. It's already out here. There's something good. Why the sun is so hot. So guys, I just get the package then. So I wait for a taxi. I say guys, I just reached back from the shipping company and I have the package them with me. Yeah, so I'm going to show you them. These are all of the package them. Yeah, so I'm going to unbox them one by one. So first I'm going to unbox this. I'm not sure what is this, but let's see. Oh, I just remember what this now guys. These are in tools them when order. And they tell me about this. These are these are in tools them. Yes, my baby father guys, him love fix things. Him love fix any little things. Same say so him order them here. Yeah, for fixing little things there. Next are this. Let's see what's in this. Oh, this is a tablet case. Not sure why I'm buying this, or maybe you can get it free. Oh, this is a shear. But look, it's a chamba. Alright guys, this is a shear. So I think in this and get them here free. Yeah. So let us just move along. And this is a LED light. You can buy this for room. Yeah, for put up in the ceiling. We did forget it for Christmas, but it never come in time. This now. This look like a fan. This is a fan, guys. I don't really want to trample the box, but then tape here. Here in the box. Alright. Alright guys, this is a fun, as I say. I think in this saying get this for work. Yeah, cause when they work like my fan na dede and him hot. It nice. It nice and it thick too. It really nice. So I think this time shoes for him order, time order one work shoes for work, you know. I think this time shoes, yes. It is shoes. Wow, this nice. It really nice. Yeah, it nice guys. It nice. I like it. At first when him did show me it, when him just order it, I never like it, but to see it now, it really nice. Yeah, I love it bad. So that's it now. So the other foot. This now, I didn't forget a vlogging stick. I hope I eat this, but if I don't eat, I just have to wait till it comes. Oh, I don't eat guys, I charger. And you tell me about that charger here, one fast charging charger. And charger them again too. So that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Yeah guys, we want to reach 1K subscribers by March, so please guys. As I said guys, that is it. So please like, share and comment, subscribe. Yeah, feel free to like up the video them and comment guys. So thanks for watching.